21/11/22 on the Karbianglong Meghalaya border. 5 Khasipnars and 1 Karbi were killed on the main PWD road. The area has so long been claimed by Karbianglong to be within West Karbianglong. Then why did Assam police pick up? Why did not the Assam police pick up the dead bodies? Moreover, one of the dead bodies was that of Bidya Singh Lekhe, a home guard of Assam, posted at Mukroh along with the Assam police. Has Assam surrendered Mukroh area to Meghalaya? This is a question. If so, why did police outpost there? And why did Assam police went there and opened fire? Why did Assam police went there to catch timber smugglers? About 1 week before the incident, late Bidya Singh Lekhe spoke before the press that there was no facility and safety at Mukroh police outpost. He requested the Karbianglong Autonomous Council for help, but the KASC or the district police did not do anything to help. It has become questionable as to whether Bidya Singh Lekhe knew many things as to who have been involved in the timber smuggling and eliminated by the Assam police at the instruction from some powerful political persons. This is a question. Why he has been killed? We thank Mr. Conrad Sangma, Chief Minister of Meghalaya government, and the Khasipnars for taking swift action in picking up the dead bodies, doing what they have done after the firing incident. We suspect the involvement of Bongo Senas in this incident. We request the district administrations of Jaintia Hills and West Karbianglong to allow the APHLC to hold a public meeting at Mukroh to prevent any fear psychosis to prevail there. So far, the Karbis and Khasipnars are living peacefully.